What is going on today, guys? This is Justin, and I'm excited for today's video. We're doing an unboxing and first look at some of my favorite headphones. I finally got them. Today we're going to be looking at the one and only Bose QuietComfort 45s. If you guys are new to the audio industry and or don't know much about audio or headphones, the Bose QuietComfort 45s are some of the best noise canceling headphones on the market. These do have relatively good sales here and there. Getting these for about, I'm making this up because it actually goes that far in range, but between $220 and $350. I've seen them all over the place. They do come in black, blue, a navy, which I think is super neat, and then this color. And so I'm really excited for this, guys. We're going to jump right into the unboxing today, just so we can see these guys out of the bag and box bag, and see what these things really look like, and so you guys can understand really what comes in this box, and if you were to buy one, what to expect. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, what's going on, guys? We're going to jump into the unboxing right now. I'm actually pretty excited for this. It looks like we got some minimalistic packaging here. We got the Bose QuietComfort 45s. You guys can see at the bottom here, this is the silver color. So if you guys are into like the white phone, white earbuds, headphones, these are going to be the ones for you. Looks like we got some pretty nondescript packaging here. I'm hoping we kind of have a revelation here where it gets revealed. And I was right. So we take it out of the box. Is it cooler if you go the other way? Is that the mistake I made? Nope. So it looks like it's cool no matter what. So here we go, guys. We got some support documentation. You guys have probably seen this before. This is nothing new. Just tells you kind of how to set these suckers up. And this is just an unboxing and first look, guys, so we're just going to be looking at what they look like out of the box, things like that. And then I'm going to be doing a review and probably some comparisons on these guys, because I'd like to find out if they are truly the best noise canceling and how they compare to some other headphones. So as you guys can see, I took off the plastic wrap, and now we have ourselves a nice case that says Bose on it. I do have to admit, this looks pretty good. I'm glad that they included a case here, because one thing I've noticed about headphones, guys, is that you take them on a plane or you do something with them that's just hard to manage. And then you find yourself put them in your backpack without the case, and then they get kind of like crooked or they don't fit well. Just so you guys know, the case is fairly large here. To give you guys a great example, I have a blender bottle right here. I hope I didn't break anything. So it looks like we got a blender bottle right here, and this is the same size, basically height-wise up to the lid cap. So there you go. That's a good comparison. This is pretty big. The headphones are pretty big themselves, but essentially let's get into it and see what these suckers look like. So I kind of want to add a little cool effect here, just because maybe I'll make a Bose commercial one day. And like a book. Yep, I got the real factory smell from that, guys. So, I mean, they smell, I'm not going to say that that's like my favorite smell in the world. I'm going to be honest. Looks like we got a cord here. It looks like this is a headphone cord. So essentially, guys, I will be putting this into the full review. If they run out of battery, you can actually use them with an audio 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And then the noise canceling does not work, but they do function as regular headphones. In the review, I will go over basically how they sound with the noise canceling turned off and all the electronics gone. But this is a very nice addition and very nice to have, because in case you get on a flight and you just need some audio or something to listen to. So these are the headphones, guys, in all their pride and glory. Oh, these things feel great. We got a little, I don't even know what the styrofoam in here, and then these are the actual headphones. The white is pretty nice. I will admit, though, guys, I'm not sure what you guys can see on your end, but it's a very... This is in the light. This is them in the light. It's not exactly a super bright white. It's almost like an off-white. Ooh, I don't even know what to call it, but it's not a super powerful white. It might look different on camera, but essentially it's a very nice, tame, classy white. So these are the headphones, guys. We got a Bose logo right here. This is all part of the experience. And over here on this side, we got the on and off button with the Bose logo. And then we got the headband. One of the things I will say, guys, if you ever go into a Best Buy, is one of the biggest reasons why you buy these headphones is because of how comfortable they are. That's one of my favorite features about them when I've gone in, so I decided to pick them up. You got the charging cord right here, and then the aux cord right there, just for simplistic purposes. And then you got some on headphone control here, and then on headphone control here. So if you guys are big runners, or you like to go lift weights and you want actual on-ear headphones, or around the ear, I should say, these are going to be your best bet. These are some of the best headphones out there to date. Sony and Bose and JBL are starting to compete, but I think right now, honestly, Bose and Sony are making some of the best headphones you could possibly buy. They do fold over like this for easy storage, and then this is the case. But when you fold them like this, then that's when you give them the old, you fold one in, and then that's how they fold into the case. And then you're all set. The charger cord is in here as well. I believe that's a USB Type-C, which is super nice. We're going to put that over here. But that's all she wrote, guys, for today's video. Unboxing and first look of the Bose QuietComfort 45s. I will be putting the Amazon link down in the description so you guys can pick these up really easily. The case has a nice place for the headphones, and it also has a nice storage compartment for the cord. So if you're somebody who actually likes to have the cord very close and handy, this is going to be your best bet. And then it shuts, and then we got ourselves a good deal. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Go ahead and comment down below if you're excited for these suckers. I believe they are on sale, and they are a really good deal right now. So I'll be doing some reviews, product comparisons, and we'll be doing some tests with these guys just to see how good these truly are. And I really want to help you guys understand if these are the best noise-canceling headphones in 2023. See you next time. This is Justin.